Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. If this is your first time here, my name is Augusta, and please hit the subscribe button down below and join this amazing YouTube family. So I woke up this morning and decided to film a makeup tutorial, and I was just thinking, you know, maybe I should film a pink or blush makeup look, okay, because I'm so used to filming like very natural, very nude, subtle makeup looks, okay. So today I decided to, you know, go for a more blush, more pinky, like just a little bit of color, okay. I want to add a little bit of color to my face today. So this is going to be an easy blush glam makeup look, okay. And I'm also going to be trying out this eyeshadow that I got from Amazon today, okay. This eyeshadow is very affordable. This is not a promotion video, guys. This is not a promotion video at all. I actually got this with my money, okay, and it comes 2 in 1 pack, okay. So this is very, very affordable. If you're looking out to get an eyeshadow that has so many colors but very affordable, then I'll advise to go for this eyeshadow because it's very good, it's very pigmented, it blends very well, so it's very, very good for beginners and for your everyday makeup look, okay. So I'm starting off with my moisturizer, guys. I love doing my skin prep first before applying my makeup, okay. So I'm using the e.l.f. Daily Hydration Moisturizer today. So I'm going to just apply it all over my face. Next, I'm going to go in with my primer, and I'm using the Milk Hydro Grip Primer, and I'm going to leave the names of all the products I'm going to be using in this video in the description box, okay. So if you want to see all the products I use, you just have to check the description box, okay. For my foundation, I'm using the NARS Shell Glow Foundation, and guys, I hate that this foundation doesn't have a pump, okay. You have to pour it at the back of your arm, okay, before you can use it. I don't know why this very foundation from NARS doesn't have a pump, because there are other foundations I use do come with pumps, but for this one I really don't understand why they made it without a pump. I read somewhere that you can actually buy the pump separately, but I wish that you know, they actually added the pump to it, because it just makes your work so easy. So I'm going to use my beauty blender to start blending out the foundation. Guys, see how this foundation blended right in with my skin color. Like, I hardly get foundations that blend my skin very well, but this one fits so well. Now I'm going to go in with my LA Girl Pro Concealer. I'm going to go ahead and blend out the concealer with my beauty blender. For my contour, I'm going to be using this black Opal 2 color foundation. And guys, like, this is why I hate buying makeup online, because I got this in the wrong shade. This is way darker than my contour shade, okay, and because I got it online, I didn't realize, okay. This is my first time of actually buying this contour stick, but we are going to make it work, okay, guys. Like, I need to actually go to a store and try to get my own shade, because I've been hearing a lot of good things about this contour stick, or this is actually a foundation, but people use it for contour, okay. It blends very well, so I need to get this in my shade. But for now, we are going to make this very dark shade work, okay. I'm also going to apply some of it on my forehead. I'm just like slightly patting it in, okay, because I don't want it to be too much. To apply it on my nose, I'm going to use this blending brush to take some of it, okay. And I'm going to go right in. I'm going to use this Real Technique face brush, okay, to blend it. So I'm using the same flat brush to blend out my nose contour. Guys, to highlight my under eyes, I'm going to go back in with my Too Faced concealer, okay, and just apply it right under my eyes here. I'm also going to apply very little on top of my nose. And I'm going to wait for it for about 30 seconds to dry down a little bit before I go in with my beauty blender, okay, to blend it out. Now I'm going to go in with my setting powder to set my concealer. So I'm using this small fluffy brush, and I'm going to take some of the setting powder and kind of press it in, okay, in those areas that I applied the concealer. Now I'm going to go in with my MAC Studio powder, okay, and I'm going to apply it all over my face. This is just going to help blend in every product I have on my face right now. It's going to make everything look very, very seamless, okay. And I'm using this fluffy brush, okay. Now I'm going to go ahead and start doing my eye makeup, okay, and I'm starting out with my brows. So the first thing I'm going to do is to brush up my brows, okay. And this is the brow pencil I usually use, but I ran out of this, so I'm going to use this other brow pencil today. So I'm going to go ahead and outline my brows first. Now I'm going to go ahead and use same pencil and start filling in my brows. I'm going to go ahead and use a flat brush and my concealer, okay, to clean under my brows. For the top of my brow, I'm using a darker concealer, okay, like a concealer that is same shade with my skin color, okay. For my eyeshadow, I'm going to be using these two eyeshadow palette that I got from Amazon. They actually came together like one pack, okay? I think this is about $12 to $15 for both of them. I'm not sure right now, but I'm going to put the price on the screen, okay? So this is very, very, very affordable. So I'm going to open it up so you guys can see how the inside is. This is what is inside, okay? So I'm going to start out with this color here, or this shade here. And just like I said, I'm going for a more blush look today, okay? So I'm going to use my fluffy brush, okay, to take some of that eyeshadow, and I'm going to go ahead and start applying it on my eyes. Now I'm going to go ahead and take this pinky or blushy shade on the other palette, okay? I'm going to use this other blending brush, okay, to take some of it. And guys, this is a very simple eyeshadow look, okay? I'm not going for something too complicated or anything like that. No, this is a very simple eyeshadow look. Now I'm going to go ahead and start applying it. I'm going to go back with the first blending brush I used, okay, just to make sure I blend out the eyeshadow very well and like I'm not left with any harsh line, okay? So I'm just going to go back and blend. Now I'm taking this eyeshadow here. This is a pink glitter eyeshadow. I'm going to be adding it just right at the inner corner of my eyes, okay? So I'm using this flat brush to take some of it. For my eyeliner, I'm using this She Glam waterproof liquid eyeliner. I actually got this eyeliner from Shein, okay? So I'm going to go ahead and apply it. I need a bigger mirror. The next thing I'm going to apply is my mascara, and I'm using this e.l.f. Lash It Out mascara. So guys, I ruined my second false lash, okay? So I went ahead to take off the first one I already applied. So we are doing this look today without a false lash, okay? So now that I'm done with my eyes, the next thing I'm going to do is to go in with my blush. And guys, I don't have a pink blush, okay? So I'm going to be using my lipstick today, okay? We're going to make it work, okay? And I know that some companies now bring up like lipsticks that you can even use for eyeshadow, you can use for blush, and also as a lipstick, okay? But we are going to be using this NYX butter lipstick today as our blush, okay? So I'm not going to apply it directly on my face. No. I'm going to apply it at the back of my arm here, like at the back of my palm, right? I'm going to apply some of it here. You guys can see. Now I'm going to go ahead and use this blush to take some of it, okay? Just dab it in a little bit, and I'm going to go ahead and apply it, okay, on my cheek. So and guys, when using your lipstick as blush, use very little, okay? Little goes a long way. If not, you're going to ruin everything, okay? So take very little, and make sure that you're not using a matte lipstick because it's not going to blend at all. Make sure you're using a very creamy or buttered or like a gloss, okay? And make sure you apply it at the back of your hand first, then you can go ahead and use your brush to take some of it. Just take it gently, okay? You can actually build it up, okay? So take very little, apply it, and you know, go back in and take more if you feel like you need more, okay? So you can build it up. Don't go in with the lipstick on your face. You're going to end up ruining everything, okay? So very little on your brush, at the back of your hand, sorry, and then you use your brush to take it, okay? Now I'm going to go back in with my beauty blender, okay? Now I'm going to go in with my bronzer, and I'm using this True Complexion contour palette. So I'm going to be using this shade here for my bronzer, the middle one, okay? So just take very little, and I'm going to go ahead and apply it on all the areas I applied my contour, okay? I'm also going to apply it on my forehead. For my highlights, I'm going to be using this Wet n Wild highlight, okay? So I'm going to use my brush to take some of it, and I'm going to apply it right at the highest point of my cheek, okay? So I'm going to smile, and I'm going to go ahead and apply it here. I'm going to apply some of it on the tip of my nose and right here. Now I'm going to apply my e.l.f. Dewy Coconut Setting Mist. To do my lips, I'm going to be using this NYX lip liner first. So I'm going to use it to line my lips. Now I'm going to go in with my lipstick, and this is the same lipstick I used for my blush, okay? Next, I'm going to apply this Revlon gloss. So yeah guys, we finally come to the end of the tutorial, and this sums up the look that I was going for, like the very easy pinky glam makeup look, okay? This is not my usual makeup look, okay? I don't really like going for very loud eyeshadow or very loud lipstick. I love keeping it very neutral, nude and all that, but today I was just in the you know, pinky blushy like makeup look, so I decided to do this look, okay? And turned out beautiful and nice, okay? So let me know in the comment section what you guys think about this look, and if you're still here, don't forget to like this video, don't forget to comment in the comment section, and if you're yet to subscribe guys, please hit the subscribe button down below and join this amazing YouTube family. Thank you so much for staying to the end of the video. See you guys in my next one. Bye.